Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a flashcard using an online platform called H5P and how to embed them to your website. So first of all, we need to open our browser, so you can just use any browser, but in this video I'm using Safari, and you can just type the address of the website on the search bar here. It's www.h5p.org. And then if you haven't got an account, you have to create a new one. But if you have already got an account, you can just simply log into your account. Now I'm just going to log into my account as I have created before. Now I just need to enter my email and my password, and you're gonna be directed to the dashboard page. And on this dashboard page, you just need to click this button, try out H5P, and here you're going to be given some options to choose. And since you are going to create a flashcard, you can just click on this option, which is dialog cards. Okay, and you can just use it, and you can just type the title of your project. So in this case, I'm just going to write Project 1 Empower C1 Unit 2. And then for heading, you can just leave it blank. And then for mode, I recommend you to choose the normal mode. And then the next one, you just need to write down the text or the vocabulary and answer or the definitions of the word or the vocabulary. As you might still remember, in Unit 2 we have discussed about some vocabulary related to sounds and related to verbs of movements. You can just choose any of them, and you can just create as many as possible that you can make. So I'm just going to give you an example here. Maybe I can just write the word gurgle. Okay, gurgle. So gurgle means, if you still remember, it's the sound that an empty stomach makes. Yeah. So maybe I can just write the sound an empty stomach makes. Okay, and then you can just add the image if you want. Okay, now let's just find the image of gurgle, and we can just download it maybe. Well, gurgle, which one? Gurgling. Maybe I can just find the word gurgling. This one. Maybe I can just download this image to my computer, and I can add it on my flashcard. Choose it. And then before you leave the page, make sure that you have saved your work. Now let's just save it to check whether it works well or not. Okay, so yeah, gurgle. When I turn it, so it shows the definitions. Okay, and if you want to add more vocabulary, you can just edit what is that, your file, and you can just click this button if you want to add more vocabulary or more words. Okay, so this is for example, I'm going to write whisper. Yeah, yes, whisper. Okay, and whisper, you have to write the definitions of this word. So maybe I just write it like the sound made by using the breath only to speak. Yeah, and then you can find the picture of whisper on Google. Oh, sorry, whispering. Okay, I can save it to my computer. And add it to my flashcard. Okay, it's now down, and I can save it. And then the next step is you need to put this flashcard into your Weebly page. So I have asked you to create a Weebly site before, and I'm sure that all of you, have a website. Now we can just go to Weebly, and here I'm just going to show you how to add it to your website. Okay, for example, I'm just going to add the flashcard I have just made onto website on my website. So I can just click one of my website here, and I can edit my site, and have to wait for it. Okay, and you can just go to page, and you can create a new page here, just standard page, and you can name your new page with project 1, and you write flashcard in the brackets, and you can choose the options here, and just go to build. And as you can see, there are some options on the left side of your editor page, and you have to choose this one, embed code. You drag and drop it here. Okay, and you go back to your H5P page, and you click these options, and you will be given this HTML code that you can just copy and paste it on your editor page. Okay, that's it. And to check whether it works well or not, you can just publish it and go to your Weebly site. So we put our work on project 1 page here, so I can just click it. And there it is, yes. So it works well now. Okay, so I think that's it, a short and quick tutorial on how to create a flashcard using an online platform called H5P combined with your Weebly. Hopefully you can do your first project well. Thank you.